I just want it to be official that someone from California is actually helping someone from the South. He really needed a Yankee to help him. All right, well, tell them a little bit. I know you're like everybody, you're a little skeptical, you're a little scared, as anyone would be. You had about 99% loss in your feet, which is not a good idea if you drive truck for a living. We are at, about 8 weeks now? And
Yeah,
what
8 weeks.
what have you seen? Tell them about the pictures and what you're seeing and what you're doing.
For the ones of y'all who's not familiar with it, with this system, basically, Dr. Greg takes pictures of your body, that's where your neuropathy is the worst at, and it basically shows where heat's at. I'm very familiar with that system because we use it for a sporting activity that we are involved in. And basically the areas where I have most of my pain at was black. I mean, you know, common sense told you it wasn't no activity right there now. And through his help and his guidance with all of his technology, now all those areas, all the blackness is gone. I mean, it has at least a minimum amount of blood activity in every one of the places that I have problems with. I'm gonna say 50 to 75% improvement in 8 weeks.
What'd you notice about his blood pressure, his weight, other health things?
He has lost weight. We've tried to be a little more consistent on healthy eating, which has been difficult at times, but he has lost some weight. His blood pressure did fluctuate a little bit with the Blueprint L-alanine. Is that
the supplements?
the supplement
lowered
that we
his
were
blood
using?
pressure because it got healthy.
So because he was getting healthier, his blood pressure was lowering to the point that we don't think we're gonna need the blood pressure medicine much longer. Hopefully we'll be getting off of that very soon. Seems to be a remarkable difference in the pictures. And I have noticed at home doing the therapy and the treatments, he's got more sensitivity to areas that he had no feeling in at all before. So we are seeing some great improvements in the 8 weeks. It's been a wonderful experience.
The human body's amazing. It's been exciting. Thanks for trusting us.
Thank you.